We needed to be able to have residents, citizens of this country understand the impact of what legislation is. And a lot of times it's not obvious.
Our team's solution is called Legit Info, and it's a web-based app built on a Python and Django framework that helps decode complex legislation. And it uses machine learning and Watson's natural language understanding to highlight the different impact areas of a specific piece of legislation and give those categories directly to the user.
And the main idea behind using NLU was because it has already been trained over millions of documents, and over the years it has only become stronger in identifying the relationships or the concepts or what kind of sentiment a group of words reflect.
People today are currently inundated through social media with very biased sources, and Legit Info really strives to take the partisanship and the bias out of decoding legislation. And after all, knowledge is power. Legit Info is just trying to give that power back to the people.